Maria. Hello, my name is Maria, and I'm from Spain. I am a teacher. I work with young children. In my free time, I like to read books and cook Spanish food for my family. At the weekend, I enjoy meeting friends. We often visit museums and sometimes go to concerts. Tom. Hi, I'm Tom, and I come from the United States. I'm a doctor. I love basketball. I often play with my friends on the weekend. In the evenings, I usually watch films at home with my friends. On Sundays, I often go hiking in the mountains to take pictures. I have a younger sister. She lives with my parents. Aiko. Good morning, I'm Aiko, and I'm from Japan. I don't work because I'm a student studying medicine. I'd like to be a doctor and work in a big hospital. I don't go out a lot because I like to spend time by myself. I even travel alone. I don't have brothers or sisters, and my friends don't like traveling. I don't like watching TV, so I always play video games after dinner. Louise. Hey, how are you? I'm Louise from Brazil, but I live in Australia. I'm a chef, and cooking is my passion. When I'm not at work, I always order takeaway food. I love pizza. Football is my favorite sport, but I don't play it. I watch it on TV at the weekend. I have a big family, but I never see them because they are in Brazil. I miss them very much.